iced tea. If you wanna go at it, I don't phone for free. Gotta pull up to the door just to come see me. She say she a snack, I'm a 5 course. It ain't getting